In this video, I will show you how to make these lace flowers earrings. Let's get started. To make these lace flowers, you will need super fine cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 5, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, needle, and if you want to make as me earrings, you will need this metal ends and also something to attach them. Start making a magic ring. And inside this magic ring, we'll make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here we go. Close this hole and we will make a slip stitch in the first stitch. So here in this first stitch, we'll make a slip stitch. Okay. Here we go. Now chain 3 and we will make a double crochet in the next space. So not in this one that we made a chain, but in the next one. Double crochet and chain 1. So this first chain 3 we will count also as double crochet and chain 1. So here with this chain 3 we'll have our 2 stitches of double crochet and chain 1. We will repeat it all over. So in the next one, again, double crochet and chain 1, and continue working like this all over until you have a total of 10 double crochet and chain 1. Okay, I just made my last double crochet and chain 1. Remember that we counted with this first chain 3 that we made in the beginning. And right now we will make a slip stitch in the second chain, this that we made in the beginning. So it will be here, there will be first chain and second chain here. Okay, this is how it looks like after our round number 2. Right now we will go to the first chain 1 space, so here, and we'll make a slip stitch. Chain 2, make a double crochet in the same space, so here, okay, this is how it looks like. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 2 double crochet in the same space. So we can push this a little bit here on the side, and in the same space we will make 2 more double crochet. 1 and 2. This is what we have already. Now again we will chain 3. We will skip this next chain 1 space. We will go directly to the next one, and in the next one again we will make 2 double crochet. So we have 1 and 2, chain 3, and make 2 more double crochet in the chain space, in this the same space. So we will repeat exactly the same that in first hole. So 2 more double crochet here in this space. 1 and 2, chain 3, and again we will skip next space, and in the second one we will repeat. So 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet. My first 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. Again, chain 3, skip the next space, go to the next one, the second one, so not here but here, and again 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 3, skip next space, and work like this to the end of this round. After the last group of double crochet, I will chain 3 again, and we will make a slip stitch to the second chain. So we started here, it will be 1 and 2 here. Okay, and this is how our flower looks already. We still have to make 1 round more. So we will make 2 slip stitches. We will slip stitch here into the next stitch, and we'll make another slip stitch to this first hole. So we will start here in this hole, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and make a treble crochet in this hole. So we will yarn over twice, and we will make a treble in this hole. Okay, now we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the same space we'll make 2 more treble. So again, yarn over twice, and we will make 2 treble crochet in this hole. Okay, so this is how it looks in this first hole. Right now, again, we will chain 3, go to the next space, but here we will just make 1 single crochet. Just 1 single crochet. Again, chain 3, go to the next space, and in this next space we will make again 2 treble, our 1 and the second one. We'll push it a little bit here, chain 3 and make 2 more treble here in the same place. Our 1 and the second one, and again we will chain 3, go to the next space, but in the next space again like here we will just make 1 single crochet, and this will be the pattern to the end of this round. So right now we will again chain 3, go to the next space, in the next space we will make 2 treble, chain 3 and 2 more treble, chain 3, go to the next space, make 1 single crochet, and just repeat this to the end of the round. I made here in this last hole a single crochet. Right now chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and right now I will just chain 1 to secure it and cut the yarn. So our flower is ready. Right now I absolutely recommend you to block it. You can just iron it, you can steam it, you can block it just with water, so wet blocking, but I really recommend you, as you want to use it for earrings, to make it a little bit more thick, and I will show you how I block it with a mix of potato starch and water. I took 300 milliliters of water and brought it to boil. Next, I mixed 100 milliliters of cold water and 1 heaping teaspoon of potato starch. I mixed it well, and when the water in the pan was starting to boil, I just put it inside. Mix it really well. This has to be the consistency. And now I will just put my flowers. As you can see, I weave in the ends before. Okay, just to leave them for 2-3 minutes, it will be enough. And after this time, I took them out. I used the towel to remove the excess of liquid. You can place your flowers onto the blocking mat and pin them and just leave them to dry overnight. After 24 hours, my flowers are completely dry. As you can see, they are super thick. So this is exactly what we wanted. And right now we just have to attach these little pieces to make earrings. So I will just open this. Okay. And here now I will just close it. Maybe with this one would be better. And that's it. We have one. And now I will make another one. Check where is right and wrong side of your earring. And here we go. Our lace flowers earrings are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.